In this video, let me show you how we build a Porta Bote. Our boat is a 12 feet boat and we use a 2.5 horsepower motor with it. This boat can sit 2 people comfortably and it can take up to 4 people in it. My son is helping me in today's build. Enjoy the video. So the beauty of this portable boat is that we are able to carry it on the car, and wherever we reach, then we can build it up. So you see, I just built it up. The seats clip on, and there are small locks which go in there. So those are in place. So here's the transom, and transom is hooked up with these nut and bolts. So I'm just going to put these nut and bolts. The boat will be ready. We have this front cover as well, and then you can actually put an anchor on this as well. We didn't bring our anchor since we'll be just going out for a player ride. Here are the wheels. We can actually hook up the wheels at the back of the boat, and we can drag from the front, and we can take it anywhere. So let's say if you're at a marina or right here, we have to go quite a ways down. So what we'll do is we'll put the tires on, and then we'll pick it up from the front and we'll take it down there. See? Now we can just take it anywhere we want, like this. Here is the motor that we have for this boat. It's a small 2.5 horsepower motor that can be used with a 1 pound propane tank, the green Coleman propane tank, or we can use a small tank. So I got a marine aluminum tank that I'm gonna use today. We have always used it with the small tanks, but I'm going to try and use it with this bigger tank, which is 8 pounds, so that we can stay in the water more.